Strain 2025. We're going to start with third place, and everyone's going to be able to come up and get their trophy and say a little something about their process. So we're going to make this happen right now. I suppose we got a little like music in between, like keep it excited. Yeah, you guys, let's make that happen. Fucking acapella award show, I love it. All right, Best New Strain 2025 in third place with a total of 223 points was entry number 11. Oh, you like that one? Shout out to the judges too, who put in all the hard work to smoke a lot of entries. Y'all are the real champs. 11, it was Mango Rust by Mephisto Genetics. Mephisto. Third place.
Yes. What? You're going to get a size package of bags here. And then after, make sure you're going to get more prizes. You got to talk to our team. There's all kinds of stuff. So, yeah. Make sure you talk to one of the team members when you're done. And then, yeah, thank you very much. Here's your award. Here's your trophy. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah! I get some of these seeds, dude, for the future. All right, second place. Best New Strain American Idol Blog of third annual, second place with 233 points was entry number 27. Yeah, 27. Mendo Breath Auto by Atlas Seeds. Mendo Breath Auto. We out here. We get do these awards as quick as autoflower, bro. It's gonna be a great time. Turn around.
Atlas Seeds, come to the stage.
Atlas Seeds, are you in the building? Atlas Seeds.
And we'll make sure to get Atlas Seeds their prize package after the event.
I got big bright lights, but I see people walking now. We good? All right. Shout out to Atlas Seeds. Moment of truth. Best New Strain, dude. You ready? Do we have a drum roll? Thank you, Uncle Story. Thank you. First place, Best New Strain 2025. I was making sure that's not the winner on the other side. I see that Uncle Story eyeballing me. First place, dude. Entry number 47 was Love Bomb Auto by 2020 Mendocino. 2020 Love Bomb. We got the Love Bomb on the judges. Hey! Let's go. Yeah, let us know about the Love Bomb. Drop the Love Bomb on the judges.
Our first R&D autos that are 18 runs. You'll be seeing it drop soon. It is one of our Honey Badger lines. As you know, it's one of our baby hitters also. And so we crossed that with the Love Bomb, and so you'll see that coming out also. And we got several others coming out with the Honey Badger, but of course the Love Bomb is the one of the number one place. Woo! Thank you.
Congratulations to all the Best New Strains. What?